Hi, this is Chaitra Ashwathnarana and I'm part of EForT Project Spring 2019. Product owner for the project is Dr. Musud Sajadi. So this user story is basically to encrypt and decrypt the Forex password when the user links and edits the Forex details on the EForT website. So let's get into the Visual Studio. Okay, so coming up to the register user controller, we have the link account function that's been written here. So once the user enters the details in order to link the Forex accounts, the user enters the username, the login ID, password, and the server details. So it takes the password, since the password has to be encrypted, and it calls the function from the Forex manager, which is the encrypt string function that's been written here. We have the encryption function that's been written here. So it takes this particular key in order to encrypt it. And once the password is encrypted, it will be sent into the model and finally calls this particular function wherein it has the stored procedure linked, and it writes the encrypted password into the database. So once we have the encrypted password written in the database, when the user wants to edit the same, the password has to be decrypted. That will be shown up for the user on the EForT website. So for the decryption also, we have a function that has been run here on the Forex manager. So this is a function that's been decrypting the password, and it has the key that is been using for the same. So when we come to the edit linked account, this is where we have the get Forex account details. This is a function that's again called from the Forex manager that pulls the particular details of that particular details of the Forex account. So every row would have a user ID associated with it, the login ID. So with respect to that, it pulls the details. Yes, this is the one. So based on the login ID, it fetches the particular detail of the Forex login details. And once that's been fetched and before that's been shown to the user on the edit linked account page, we have to decrypt it, and the same will be done here. So it takes the encrypted password from the model and it calls the decrypted function where it decrypts the password and overwrites on the model. So once we have the decrypted password that's been written, and when it returns the view, it shows the decrypted password. So this is the function that's been written for the same. So let's see how it looks on the EForT website. So basically, to see the Forex details, the user has to log in as a developer. So I will be logging in as a developer. So once I log in, I can get into my account and go to my Forex accounts. So this is already showing up the details. So I would like to add the new account now. So I will give the details 5 and password as. We have an eye icon that's been added up here. So this helps in showing the password and hiding it. So I would just like to add the server name. So I'm just adding the server name here. So I would just like to link. So we can see that this particular forex.com has been linked, and we'll just see how the same looks on the database. So we just like to refresh this, and once we come up here, we can see that the password is decrypted for the Forex we have just added it on the website. So now I would like to edit this. So when I go to edit, the password has to be decrypted. I will just go back here, and if we come here and just click on this, so we can see that the password is decrypted, and so the same eye icon helps us to hide and show the password. So you can just change this and click on save, and so this is all for this user story in order to encrypt and decrypt the password, and that helps us to show and hide the password on the EForT website. So For any other details, please contact our product owner, Dr. Masud Chachadi. Thank you so much.